Hi, this video can be an ultimate game changer in your UPSC CSE preparation. Sir and ma'am, when it comes to the PYQs plays more than 50% role in your final selection. And when it comes to this aspect of PYQs, more than 95% of the aspirants do not handle it right. Now, lack of a good strategy in PYQ solving cost you or the aspirants multiple attempts. If we have a sound, practical and doable strategy for the PYQs, that is where you can take an edge from your competitors. Hi, myself Sugam Bansal. In this video, I will be guiding you about the most practical strategy which is important for the PYQs. And if you are Brahmastra student, I will tell you how Sunya IAS will be helping you to tackle the PYQs in your journey. Okay? So, if I talk about PYQ, sir and ma'am, सबसे पहले let's understand in what all areas we have to strategize upon the PYQ solving. क्या क्या aspect को हमें ध्यान में रखना है. The first and foremost thing is mains when it comes to the GS. Right? Mains preparation में GS का syllabus. Second is your optional. Third, your prelims, again paper 1, that is GS. And fourth, CSET, again prelims, that is paper 2. So in all these four things, we have to strategize the PYQ, that how we have to solve them, how many number of times we have to solve them, from where we have to solve them, what should be the timeline. What I'm trying to make a point. First of all, number of times. Secondly, what should be the strategy? And most importantly, when, that is the timeline. So these three areas, if I am able to tackle, I am done with the strategy of the PYQs. And that is where your role starts in the execution. Let me tell you, whatever I will be discussing with you will be highly practical and doable. Okay? Right now, the mindset is we do not focus much upon the PYQs. We just run about the, maybe the content or maybe the test series or maybe the video courses. That is the mindset right now in the aspirants community. So we have to hold on tight and we have to understand one thing, that no institute can give you better questions than UPSC. Because you have to give the examination of the UPSC and not the mock test of the institutions. Agreed or not? That means PYQ is a very important resource which we cannot ignore in the preparation. Okay? Now, when it comes to the PYQ ka strategy, if I talk about main GS, means GS wala, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, all your papers, what you have to do is you have to solve them by your hand. अपने हाथ से सॉल्व करना है. अब दिस इज अ वेग स्टेटमेंट विच विल फाइंड एवरीवेयर कि यार मेंस के PYQs आपको अपने आप से सॉल्व करने हैं. अब you need a strategy to execute it. That is where this video will help you. Now, if you're a Brahmastra student or even if you're a student of Sunya IAS, what we have to do, beta? We will be giving you the workbooks. What do I mean by workbooks? On the top, you will have the question and then you will have the space for the answers. For example, let's say if this is the question. Explain how narco-terrorism has emerged as a serious threat across the country. Suggest suitable measures to counter narco-terrorism. So this is a PYQ from 2024. Now, in this workbook, you will have the question. You will have the space. Since the question was of 10 marker, you have 2 pages to write the question. So for all the PYQs since 2014 until 2024, this is our target. This is what we have to solve. Okay? Up. We have seen that we have to solve these PYQs in the workbook. These workbooks we will be providing you. Now let's come back to the target. That when we have to complete or solve all the PYQs. See, the mindset is in January the notification of prelims will be out. Hayana. And secondly, beta, we need some buffer time also. You can't stretch your mains PYQ solving to the January ka end. Very clear, very simple, very plain. That means 1 month ka buffer, that is January, you will keep with you. That boils down to that by December end, we have to solve all the mains PYQs. कहाँ solve करने हैं? Workbook में. कब तक करने हैं? December end तक. These two things should be clear in your head. First thing, you have to solve the PYQs in the workbook. Secondly, by December end, Why? Because we will keep January as the buffer. By December end, we have to ensure we are solving all the PYQs. These two things are clear now. Now let's see how we have to break the things into month wise and how should our strategy change according to different months. Be very attentive now, very attentive. This is what you do wrong when you solve the PYQs, beta. This is what you do wrong. You try to use the one size fit all approach. यार मेरा दोस्त दिन में 2 घंटे PYQ सॉल्व कर रहा है तो मैं भी 2 घंटे रोज PYQ सॉल्व करूंगा, या लेट्स से माय फ्रेंड इज सॉल्विंग लेट्स से PYQ every Sunday 20 of them, I will solve it 20 of them. Even if you're not ready with the content, even if you're not ready with the art of answer writing, even if you're not given any test, even if you're not done the enrichment, then also you run in the race blindly. Understanding my point of view? I am giving you the yardstick now. If you have not done sufficient answer writing so far, with sufficient answer writing I mean if you have not done or not written at least 150 questions. What I'm saying, at least 150 questions in the past, if you have not written by your hand, what you have to do is you have to follow this. For the next 2 months, if you're watching this video in July, for the next 2 months, what you have to do, you have to scribble the PYQs. And when I say scribble the PYQs, I don't want you to write the complete answer. I just want you to think upon the introduction, parts of the question, maybe in parts the funnels or the structures through which you will recall the content. And this we have done in the mark, the basics, the structures in mark. So what I'm saying, when you're scribbling, you have to just focus upon the introduction, the parts of the question, within part the structures, then few points, just the keywords. That is it. Either that should be your mindset for next 2 months. Secondly, if you are tempting to write the answer, you have the entire freedom to read the content and write. देख के भी आप लिख सकते हो for initial 2 months. I don't know from where it is coming, in the market that PYQs लिखने हैं, बिना देखे लिखो, time पे लिखो. In the very first starting, on the very starting beta, don't run in the race. Otherwise, you will end up wasting your attempts. For next 2 months, back yourself. Sit, read the content, no issues at all. If you want to read the content, then read and write. Use whatever I've taught you in the mark basic and advanced to write the PYQs. देख के लिखो, मैं आपको पूरी freedom दे रहा हूँ for next 2 months. Then again, once we are done, let's say with the July and August ka month, I'm just taking the example. If we are done with July and August, now we will be in September, October. ठीक है. What you have to do in September and October, keep a slot of 1 hour fixed. 1 घंटा daily. For example, let's say if you have broken or if you have divided your schedule into 2 halves. So maybe the last 1 hour of first half, let's say if you have divided it from 7 a.m. until 4 p.m. I will read the GS or I will do the GS. So from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. last 1 hour of your first part, what you have to do, you have to practice 3 to 4 questions. And if you feel there is a friction, the very first hour of your day should start with the answer writing. Write 3 or 4 questions. Just the idea line is, in a day, 1 hour you will fix for answer writing after 2 months, not now. Right now, 1 hour, devote it for either scribbling or maybe reading and writing it. देख के लिख के, even 1 question a day, even 2 questions a day, doesn't even matter. In the workbook, for example, I showed you the workbook of the entire internal security. You feel comfortable in 3 or 4 questions, just read the content of those 3 or 4 questions, then write the answers for those 3 or 4 questions, or maybe 1 question a day, or maybe 2 questions a day. Do it on daily basis for next 2 months. Then once you are done with this, another next 2 months, book a slot of 1 hour. In this, try not to, what I can say, see the content. If you are Brahmas beta, by September you will be done with your mains content. आपने अपना मेंस कंटेंट कवर कर लिया होगा by September end 100%. ठीक है, GS 1 2 3 4, we will make the summaries, we will revise everything, we will be done with the syllabus of GS 1 2 3 4. What I am asking you to do, then again book a slot of 1 hour, 3 to 4 questions you have to write on your own. Even 2 if you are doing, I am good with it in 1 hour. ठीक है. Don't run in the race. That is where you are going wrong. 7 मिनट में ही लिखना है, 11 मिनट में लिखना है. टाइम आता है हर चीज का. But if you will write what I can say, the thing which is not required as per the demand, you will keep on doing it, you will keep on repeating it. That is where you will fail mains. ठीक है, write it for the demand. Now will come the two crucial months, which are November, November and December. That is where under the Brahmas program, see, by September, August and September, we will complete the syllabus in the Brahmas, maximum mid-October, September, October, ठीक है, mid-October. What I'm saying, in November and December, we will conduct few sessions on the PYQs as well, so that live in the class, in the same workbook, you're practicing the question with us. Now you might have written some question already, लिख रखे होंगे आपने. So in the class you will write them again, ठीक है, maybe on some A4 sheets. But we will ensure that the most important and the different questions we are practicing live in the PYQ sessions under the Brahmastra. ठीक है. So there is where I rest my case on the mains GS PYQs. Complete strategy, practical strategy, workable strategy. Don't run in the blind race. ठीक है. Let's come to the optional. In optional, by September, I have asked all the Brahmas students to complete their summaries. What you have to do? You have to divide a page into two halves. In very short, you have to, make the summaries or the synopsis of your optional, so that you can revise it again and again. That is what you have to complete by September. But again, whenever you are trying to make the synopsis, just read the PYQs. Why? PYQs will act as a guiding light, so that you know what important information you have missed in your synopsis, or maybe what important information you missed in your notes. ठीक है? That is what PYQs will tell you. So read them at least twice or maybe more number of times. ठीक है? रट जाने चाहिए PYQs आपको. That should be your mindset, so that you know what you have to write when the exact question is coming in front of your eyes, especially in the optional. And let me tell you the beauty. More than 60% of the optional questions are PYQs, beta. Take it from me. You see any year ka paper. ठीक है? So by September, for optional, we have to read the PYQ at least 2 times, and we have to make the summaries of the entire syllabus. And for this, I have told you, in 100 pages maximum per paper, you have to compile the summaries of the optional. ठीक है? You have to divide the page into 2 halves. बहुत short में, I will take a separate video on this. On summaries, I will take a separate video. I will post some sample summaries also, maybe in next few days. ठीक है? But by September, now you know that you need not to focus much upon the solving of the PYQs. In optional, solve if you feel, if you want, solve 1 or 2 daily. But majorly you have to focus upon the summaries completion and inclusion of all the content which is there in the PYQ in the summaries itself, so that you have the comprehensive summaries ready with you. ठीक है? एक दो आप इधर भी solve कर सकते हो, मना नहीं है. But the idea, my line is, this is more important than solving the PYQs by your hand. Until September, I am saying. Post September, beta, you have 3 months. October, November and December. January, we are keeping buffer. उसे हम नहीं छेड़ते हैं, buffer है वो. In these, in a separate copy, you will take out a separate copy for paper 1, for paper 2. And you will solve the questions by your own hand. The mistake many of the aspirants do, they will just read the answers. They will take some model answers from the market, they will take some model answers from the toppers or maybe XYZ, and they will just read the content. That will not lead you anywhere. What should be the mindset? You have to solve first, then whatever extra you're getting from that synopsis or maybe the model answer, you add it in your answers as keywords in next 2 minutes or 3 minutes hardly. That should be your mindset. ठीक है? Because just reading the what I can say, the PYQs from some synopsis, you will not be able to replicate it. You will again end up writing what you are supposed to write. सिर्फ वही आप replicate करते रहोगे. So just add some keywords or maybe the important points which you missed after seeing the summaries. Maybe you may miss the demand of the question, etc. etc. That is what you have to see. But you have to solve all the PYQs at least here also for 8 to 10 years. Here at least for 8 years. By your own hand. इधर तो मैंने workbook दे दिया है. You have the workbook 2014 to 2024. 2025 we will solve separately as a complete paper. We will do the rehearsal na. We will do a mock maybe in December or in January. We will solve it on our own, the complete paper within the time limit. ठीक है? But 2014 से 2024 का सेग्रीगेटेड टॉपिक वाइज वर्कबुक आई प्रोवाइडेड. दैट वर्कबुक इज टॉपिक वाइज. ठीक है, इवन इन इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी इट इज टॉपिक वाइज. नाउ so here I am emphasizing again, please solve by your own hand. Now you have the options of referring to the summaries. Let me tell you very frankly, मत भागो भीड़ में. आप अपनी समरीज देख के PYQs के आंसर्स लिखो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. It will help you revise, it will help you retain. There is no issue absolutely. But with the time, let's say 1 month or 1.5 month, you have seen the summaries, you have written the answers. In next 1.5 months or 2 months, do not refer the summary and try writing on your own. You will realize the difference and you will see that at least now your pen has started working. ठीक है. Baki, I am doing my job in mark basic, mark advanced, be it in the mains revision classes or maybe in the enrichment session. I will ensure the arguments are coming. I will ensure the value addition is coming. I will ensure you are writing as per the demand. I will ensure you are writing as per the art of answering. ठीक है, जिसने मार्क कर लिया है they will agree with me. Now in GS prelims, अब here is many of you go wrong. Here is where many of you go wrong. बहुत सारे बच्चे इधर गलती करते हैं बेटा, बहुत सारे बच्चे. I have although written 5 times, at least 5 times you have to solve the GS prelims PYQs, at least 5 times. Even if you want to solve it 10 times ना, 10 बार भी करना चाहते हो तो करो, आधा prelims आपका वहीं क्लियर हो जाएगा. You have the mindset कि पूछ लिया है, अब क्यों UPSC पूछेगा. Since UPSC has asked it already, why it will ask again the same question? बेटा, those questions will help you to develop your analytical aptitude. The manner in which you have to deal with the question if you don't know the answer. The art of elimination, the art of aptitude, the art of reasoning. The art where you use your concepts and the facts to reach to the answers of those questions which you don't know. And that is where you get the edge in the prelims ka examination. So what I am trying to make a point is at least 5 times. Ab what should be the timeline? That is what we have to focus in the starting, if you remember. Okay? Along with the strategy, the timeline you have to focus. So 5 times. First timeline is along with the Brahmas test only. Whenever you are trying to sit for the Brahmas test, just refer the PYQs of that syllabus. Okay? It will hardly take 2 hours. Hardly. है ना, it will hardly take 2 hours. What I will do beta is the questions plus answers, not the solutions, questions plus answers. I will get it posted in some drive within next 15 days or 20 days. ठीक है, I will get that drive shared with you so that you have the paper wise, topic wise questions ready at least until 2024. Mindset will be same again. 2025 I will not include. 2025 will act as a मॉक फॉर अस. ठीक है, ऑल्दो आपने दे दिया कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, अलग से सॉल्व करेंगे उसको, है ना. तो 2024 तक का सेग्रीगेटेड आई विल गिव यू द PDFs. 2025 वी विल सॉल्व सेपरेटली 5 times. First time before Brahmas test. Second time in January we will conduct the day long sessions of PYQs discussion for all the subjects, है ना. Your duty is come back, sit in the class. Even if you have solved the PYQs, just attend the class for the mindset, for the linkages, for the conceptual clarity. ठीक है, that will be the second time you will be solving PYQs with us. I am requesting you again, even if you have solved, do not miss these sessions. Ultimately my idea remains the same beta. In Brahmas you can't miss any of the sessions which we are conducting in the program. बार बार एक ही बात बोल रहा हूँ मैं. If you will do all the sessions with utmost, what I can say, the sincerity, you will be the top contender in 2026, I promise. ठीक है. Second, in January we will conduct the session under the Brahmas program. In a single day we will pick up a single subject. Polity, एक ही दिन में, be the polity takes 8 hours or 10 hours, doesn't even matter. In a single day we will solve all the PYQs of polity. You will revise, you will understand concepts, you will see the art of PYQ solving. Then in February, me and Kuldeep sir, I don't know how many of you know Kuldeep sir, so me and him take CSET ka batch also. That batch you can take the reviews from your friends. What I'm trying to make a point is beta, in Feb we will conduct a session on aptitude. Now this is not for CSET, this is for GS. That when you don't know the exact answer, how we have to understand the mindset of the examiner, to reach the answer. ठीक है, it is not at all about the elimination, it's all about the aptitude, and you will understand the difference between the elimination and the aptitude in this session. It helped many of the aspirants last year, many of them, and this is something which we will conduct in February, so that you start applying it whenever you are going for the open mocks in March and April. ठीक है, अब 4th time in March you will attend it by your own, 5th time in April you will attend by your own. Do not just make it a rule, every month post February, every month at least once you have to solve the prelims PYQs by your own. कर लिया, आपको रट गया, तब भी every time you will find something new. And along with this na, I will release a video where I will give you the workbooks for other examinations conducted by the this UPSC, CDS हो गया, जो भी, all those examination, I will give you the workbooks for those examination, what are the relevant questions, solve them also in March and April. ठीक है, that is where we will conclude the prelims का PYQs. Mind you, I am not barring you to solve them for more than 5 times. Even if you wish, in May, solve them, you know, for 2 more times. 2 बार और solve करो. पेपर देने जा रहे हो 24 मई को, 22 मई को एक और बार solve करो. Just go through them. You will see the jump in your score. I promise you. ठीक है. So T6 and T7 can also be included in May. T6 from 1 to 20th May, T7 on 22nd of May. Just reserve the day for the PYQ solving. Again, you understand the jump in, you realize the jump in your score. Then GS, when it comes to the CSET, that is where many of us go wrong. We will pick up the PYQ just after the February, or maybe the notification is out. Because CSET is something which you ignore and you consider that, you know, I will do the CSET maybe post February. I don't know why that is the mindset. Beta, you can't learn new things post February. Pressure इतना ज़्यादा होता है. Can't learn anything new post February. What is the mindset which is required? That first you have to solve all the PYQs. Even if you have solved in your previous attempt, I don't care. You have to solve the PYQs at least once by January end. Then post January, maybe in February and March, you will solve them again. CSET रुक जाए तो मुझे बताना, करके तो देखो. अब करना कैसे है, I have already guided you. There are beta 2 more videos. If you will see, I am linking everything. There are 2 more videos. I have already guided you on the time management. Now, if you will watch this video with that video, na, you will see the scientific approach in the Brahmas program, and then you will start enjoying the program. I have interlinked everything in such a fashion that it is practical and doable at the same time. ठीक है. Secondly, there is a video on the diary management where I have guided you 5 rules on the diary management. Both of them are on the YouTube. Watch them. ठीक है, you will understand how the things are linked in the program. So once by January end, 2nd by February, now there comes the crux. बहुत ध्यान से सुनना, बहुत ध्यान से. The crux is beta that when you are solving the PYQs of CSET, do not use any formula, do not use any trick. Solve them with the pure concepts you have. If you don't have the concepts, watch our YouTube videos. Maybe 1-2 आपको मिलेगी. You will understand how we have to approach the CSET finally. It's not the SSC or banking exam where you need the formulas or the tricks or maybe the, you know, shortcuts. Nahi. You have to become an IAS officer, and the UPSC demands that you have to take the decision on the ground. UPSC will check your aptitude. You pick up the 2025 ka CSET. Pick up the questions of quant and LR. Try applying the formula. In the exam hall condition, I am saying, try and apply the formula in any of the question. Even in a single question, if you are able to do that, bring it to me. In the exam hall condition, I am saying, you can't apply any trick. You can't apply any formula. That means we have to rely upon the concepts. And that is where I will take your session on the CSET. है ना? And just remember, no formula, no trick. Even if any YouTube video insist कि यार देखो ऐसे हो जाता, भैया एग्जाम के बाद ऐसे तो हर किसी का हो जाता है. एग्जाम में हो रहा है तो आप बताइए. ठीक है, एग्जाम में only concepts will help you, and that is how we are guiding you all people in the CSET also. नहीं रुकेगा फिर. Approach should be right, है ना? So I am briefing you again. If I talk about the mains, we have to solve all the PYQs of mains in the workbook. If you are a beginner or if you have not solved more than 150 questions, what you have to do? In the next 2 months, you have to just scribble, read the content, write the answer. Then in next 2 months, slot keep a slot of 1 hour. Don't read the content, try to write at least 2 PYQs, 3 or maybe 4 in 1 hour. Then in next 2 months we will meet and I will open your brain from the exam point of view when it comes to the PYQs. I will show you how the same content can be used in multiple PYQs, है ना, so that the FOMO of the content collection reduces in your head, and we will write the relevant answers, specific, technical, prioritized points in these sessions. Okay. Now in optional, if I talk, by September over PYQs will focus upon the summaries, but when you are making the summaries, at least read 2 times the PYQs. In October, November, December, make a separate copy. Do not just read the answers and solve it by your hand. Once you have solved, let's say 10 PYQs, just read the answers, add whatever you find new in the copy itself. GS prelims, at least 5 times you have to do. 1 before the test, 1 in January. We will meet in a sessions, day long sessions almost for every subject in January. That is the transition period. We'll take the the shift from mains towards the prelims. We will reorient our ship. So we will do that to the PYQs of prelims. Then in Feb, me and Kuldeep sir will conduct a day-long session on aptitude. Then in T4, T5 is your responsibility to solve on your own. CSET, please solve at least once before January end. Again, this I will give you the drive, है ना? All the CSET PYQs I will give the Brahmas people the drive. Same for the GS. I will provide the questions and the answers. Solutions I will not provide. I will tell you the reason in some of the sessions. Okay. Chalo. So that is where I rest my case for today's session. These workbooks, what I have to give you, first of all, mains workbook का link है ना. Then I will take a session on optional का summaries, so that I can show you some sample summaries. I will try to involve the faculties also, optional ka. Then what I have to do for GS prelims, just questions plus answers, not the solutions I will give you. Fourth, for CSET also, questions plus answers is something which I will provide you. Okay. This I will conclude in next few days. Do not bother much. This I will give you instantly. This I will get compiled and give you. This I will plan and post on the YouTube. Thank you. See you on some other day. Have a good day.